how to connect Google AI Studio to Supabase. First, open up Google AI Studio, click on Get API Key in the bottom left corner, and here you want to find the application which you want to connect to Supabase. So just click on it here where it says key and make sure you copy this API key. Open up a notepad and paste it, and you can just write that this is Google AI. Okay, so once we do this, we can proceed to Supabase. We can close this. So go into Supabase. Now you want to open up the project which you are trying to get or connect to. And here, if you scroll down, you will see project settings. Click on project settings, then API keys. And right here, you want to find your URL. I'll just copy this API key because I have not published my app, but you want to copy your URL. And then you also want to copy the secret key here. So click on copy API key. Now, once you have it copied, just like that, we will go into 8 or N8N and we will create an automation. Here, the first step will be Gemini. So you want to search for Gemini and you can choose Google Gemini and whatever you're trying to do. I'm going to do message model. And right here where it says authentication, you will click on create new credentials, and here you will paste your URL and the API which we just copied. So you will paste your app's URL from Google AI Studio and you can just paste it, save it, just like that. Once you have done this, we can close it, and then we will click on the plus sign here, and this time we're going to search for Supabase. So click on Supabase and then select create a role. And then here we will choose create new credential. Now the host is going to be the first thing that we copied. So it should be a URL. Currently it's not for me because I have an API key. I haven't published my app, but this is going to be the secret that we need to add. So right here, we will just paste the secret. You want to paste it in the first field here, the host. And afterwards, if you click on save, that is going to connect Google AI Studio to Supabase. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.